Hello everyone! Tony and I noticed that summer is coming to an end and we haven't shared any summer life hacks with you. But as they say, better late than never. First, some cold water. If you are going for a long hike, the night before you can pour 1/3 of water in a bottle and put it in the freezer for the night. By morning, the water will have turned into ice. Now fill the rest of the bottle with water and take it with you. The ice will melt slowly, so you will have cold water throughout the day. Instead of water, you can use any kind of beverage, but remember that water is the best option for when you are thirsty. Now, sometimes we buy ice cream and want to eat it at home, but when we get there, it is already melted. Here's the trick to avoid that. Take the ice cream, place it inside a bag with no holes and wrap it tight, but leaving lots of air inside. Now take another bag and do the same thing. Now you have your own portable thermos. It will help your ice cream last a little longer than usual. By the way, here's another useful life hack. Let's say that you bought a bottle of some drink, which was on the shelf and not in the fridge. But now you're home and you want a cold drink. So take a paper towel or a thin cloth, wet it with water, and wrap it around the bottle. Now place it in the freezer. You won't believe it, but in just 5 to 10 minutes, the beverage inside the bottle will be cold. In the summer, we all love barbecues with friends and family, right Tony? The problem is, no one wants to clean the grill. But here's a life hack for such situations. Simply wrap the grill with a newspaper, wet it with water, and leave it for the night. In the morning, simply remove the newspaper and rinse the grill. So, what else could I tell you? Right! If you are stung by a mosquito and you don't have any balm or lotion around, then simply heat a spoon and place it right on the bite. The pain and itchiness will go away. By the way, you could also treat it with baking soda, vinegar, or toothpaste. Well, that's probably enough for today. Friends, if you want more summer life hacks, then we're gonna need 1,500 likes for this video. And tell us if you know any other cool summer tips. The best comments will be featured in the next episode. See you soon in a new episode of Super Tony. Bye-bye.